How to delete Instagram saved photos or videos permanently. Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. So, if you have sent any photos or videos to anyone and then want to delete it permanently before he or she will see it, so what you have to do is go to the Instagram account and go to the account where you want to delete the photos you have sent. So here I have sent the photos twice, right? So I want to delete one photo. So I'll just tap and hold on the photo, and here the options will appear: reply, forward, save and unsend. So tap on unsend. Okay. So this has deleted the photos. As you can see, one of the photos have been deleted and the person won't be able to see the deleted photos as it has been deleted permanently. So that's all. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now, and I'll catch you in the next one.